have been approved by the company, and safe transportation system in place, sufficient parking has been provided by the company and has been approved by the company, and four buses and other vehicles which being parked. And you also have the temporary facility TSF, including your flat office, right? Office has been approved by the company. Safe walking areas. I mean, you have demarked any area for walking?
The entrance and the site office.
Yeah. Walking area provided by the contractor to site office and at the construction site. Because this is very important. No? Because why I'm saying, because you are having 50 people. If I do not designate a walking area, probably I'm walking anywhere in the plant, in the area.
Because this walking area also playground area and the entrance area, there is a specific walking area. But on site there is no walking area because it's, walking is prohibited.
In the construction site, no walking. Yeah, so I will write down. Right, and construction site.
Because this dumping area.
Right. Walking or working near.
No, it's not like that. We cannot exactly tell walking is strictly prohibited. There are instances of walking, but we can tell walking is strictly controlled.
Walking is prohibited or controlled?
Prohibited means prohibited in certain areas only. There are areas people could walk, so we can tell it is controlled.